Hello guys, welcome to Code.com class. Today we are going to talk about variables. Variables? Sir, what is variable? Son, a temporary storage location in the main memory, paired with a name, which can contain some quality of information, is known as a variable. Ooh. Sir, how to create variable? Good question, son. For this, the assignment operator is used between the variable name and the value. Like this. Variable name equals assigned value. Ooh. Sir, can you show me example? Of course, son. Y equals 12. Okay, we create variable. Now you write this. Print X. And run it. Now you can see print 12 in terminal. Son, I think now you have small idea about variables. Great, sir. Thanks for teach me. Guys, I think you two learn well. Thanks for watching, subscribe and share.